Okay guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning an absolute classic. This one's called Achy Breaky Heart. It's literally just got two chords. There's an A chord in there, and we also have an E chord. So yeah, I'm going to break down all the chords for you first, then show you all the sections, the strumming pattern. There'll be a playthrough right at the end so you can join in with me just to check that it sounds okay. So yeah, let's get learning that song. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by learning the chords. First chord we need is an A chord. That's third one down from the top, fret number 2. String underneath, fret 2. String underneath that, fret 2. Just make sure them fingers are really curled round and we're pressing really hard. Strum all the strings except the low E string. You missed that one out. So again, arch the fingers round. Just make sure that all the notes are ringing out nice and clearly like that. That's our A chord. The next chord we need is an E chord. Third one up from the bottom, fret number 1. String above that, fret 2. String above that, fret 2. With this one we're going to strum all the strings. That is our E chord. Again, we just want to go through all the notes just to double check they're all ringing out. So again, let's just quickly recap. We had the A chord first and we have an E chord. So they're literally the only two chords we need for this song. So it's worth just practicing them first, just making sure you can transition between both of them. If you've got that, we're going to move on to learning the order of the chords. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords down, we're just going to learn the order and the strumming pattern. As this is a beginner lesson, we're going to keep it super simple, just all down strums on all the chords. Now we're going to grab that A chord first, and we want 3 lots of 4 strums. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we change to the E chord. We're going to do 4 lots of 4 on this chord. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then one more. And then we go back to the A chord for 1 lot of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it just repeats that throughout the entire song, that same pattern over and over again. We're going to go through again just to make sure you definitely got it. So we've got the A chord and we're going to do 3 lots of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1, 2. That's 2, 3. And then we change to the E. We're going to do 4 lots of 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the A chord for 1 lot of 4. So yeah, we're going to put all of that together now. I'm not going to stop, I'm just going to go straight through. So if you want to join in just for a little practice run through first, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And E, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And A, 2, 3, 4. Then it starts again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to E. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to A. 1, 2. So yeah, it literally just repeats that pattern throughout the entire song. So it's definitely worth having a little practice at that first, just making sure you can do that pattern about the tempo we just played there. If you've got that, we're going to move on next to a little playthrough version. You can join in with me just to double check that everything sounds good. So yeah, let's move on to that next. Okay guys, so we're just going to do a quick playthrough. I'm going to play through verse 1, verse 2 and the chorus just so you can play along with me. Just get a quick feel for the song. But if you want to play the whole thing, all you need to do is Google lyrics for Achy Breaky Heart. And as I've already taught in the tutorial, it literally just repeats the same thing over and over and over again. So yeah, let's start with that A chord. So I'm going to count you in. So here we go, quick playthrough. And 1, 2, 3, 4. You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes up when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just what a fool I've been, and laugh and joke about me on the phone. Verse 2. You can tell my arms go back in the farm. arm, and you can tell my feet to hit the floor, and you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching you no more. Chorus. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, you just don't think it'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man. Yeah, so it literally just repeats that same pattern throughout the entire song. Here's a quick playthrough. Again, just Google the lyrics, have a quick playthrough of the rest of the song. So yeah, hope that's helped. Okay guys, so that's the end of today's tutorial. Hope you've enjoyed. Again, it's been a super fun one for me to teach. Great for beginners, just the 2 chords, the A and the E. So yeah, if you've enjoyed, please do smash that like and subscribe just down here somewhere. So yeah, I've also got a few links in the description below if you want to work with me one-to-one. Courses I've got for sale and that sort of thing. But anyway, again, smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.